Hello, you are welcome to Chem's tutorial, your number one YouTube tutorial. And as I always come your way with different topics in software and hardware, today I'm going to take you through how to apply design templates and transitions to your slides in PowerPoint presentation. When we talk about presentation software, we're talking about softwares that are used to present information in the form of slides. So as you can see, I've launched your PowerPoint and you build up your point or your information that you want to put across to your audience. And typically what I have here is drug abuse or drug addiction. So straight away we go into our menu tabs. As you can see, home, insert, design, transitions, animations, slideshow, review, and a view. So we are going to apply design templates to our work. So at the menu tab, you click on the design templates and you have different varieties of templates. These are pre-designed backgrounds that you can apply to your slides. And as you have different types, you have the Austin, you have equity, you have the essential, you have flow, you have growth, and a whole different types. And as you can see below, anyone you put on it is that the background of the slides changes, and that's how it will look like. So for example, if I click on technique, this is how my background is going to look like. And once I click on it, see that it affects all the slides up to the end. That's design template. So for you to choose a particular template depends on the information you want to put across and the design that you want to apply and how you've arranged your text and the images that you've inserted. And you can see clearly that if I should use this design template, then I have to reposition the image I've put here as drugs, the drugs image. So I have to go and change and apply a different design template again if it can suit right. I believe this too is not bad, so I have to reposition the image. If you click at the end of the image at the far corner, then it moves the image proportionally to your work. Right, and then you can also apply. If you look at the second slide, you see that I've applied a nice design template there. Third slide, it also affects the same design template. Fourth slide, the same design template. Fifth, the same way. So we have to reposition our heading so that you can see the heading clearly. Suggested solutions. So going back to the design templates. So this is how to apply a design template to your slides. Then you can also move to transitions. You have different types of transitions that you can apply to your slides. We have the subtle, we have the exciting, we have the dynamic content. And in each case, it depends on the type of presentation that you want to put across and the audience, the expected audience, people who are going to watch you, in order to add that professional touch to your presentation. And to apply any of these transitions, you've got to select. If you want to apply different, you can apply different transitions to different slides. And the transition is the movement of one slide to the next slide. So as you move from one slide to another slide, in between the two slides, what happens is what we term as the transition. So I'll click on slide 1 and then choose split. Good. So as you can see, I've applied a split to that transition, and the moment you apply the split, it indicates on the slide at the thumbnails that you've applied a transition to that particular slide. So we click on the next slide, and then let's choose one of the exciting slides. So for example, we can click on dissolve. So as you click on dissolve, there's another slide that is applied to it. Then you click on the next one, you click on the next one, and then you can choose honeycomb. That's apply to that. Then move on to the fourth slide. You can also choose any of the slides. Let's take, for example, keep. Good. So that's it. And then we apply our next slide to the fifth slide, and that's going to be gallery. Good. So this is how you apply different transitions to different slides. And when you are done, you can do your slideshow to see if these transitions has really taken effect. So let's move on to our slideshow, and then from beginning, let's see if yes, that's the first transition that has come. That's the second transition that you can see, that dissolve. Then the honeycomb, this is our third transition that we apply to our slide. And then our fourth transition that we applied, whereas the fifth transition, and that brings us to the end of our slide. So I believe it's an easy way to apply the transitions, and if you understood how to apply these transitions, as we pick each slide and then we apply a transition to it. In the same way, to recap, if you go to the design templates too, you can choose to have a variety of templates that you can apply to your presentation, and we're going to have a very nice design template. In any case, if you don't want any of these design templates to, you can format your slide. You can format the slide on your own. For example, we click on introduction, then we click on format. Once you click on format, we have a fill shape that we can use to fill the background and apply a different effects there. So another way, you can also, if you don't want to use any of the design templates, you can also apply your own formatting style, as I'm doing to the slide 2. So click on the subtitle placeholder, and then you also fill it with a particular background that you would like to choose. Good. So that was how you can apply design templates and transition to your slides to make it look more professional and more presentable. Thank you for being with me, and I believe our next lesson, we're going to take you through how to apply various animations and slideshow to your presentation. Have a nice day and a nice time. See you. Bye.